Logitech G502 Lightspeed Review. At the cost of 14,995 rupees. Serious PC gamers stay away from wireless gaming mice, as they feel these can affect their gameplay. A wireless mouse can create latency issues. To the uninitiated, this means there is a noticeable lag between clicking the mouse to shoot an opponent and the actual gameplay response. There are issues related to interference, battery life, and the weight of the mouse. However, says it has taken care of these issues in the new G502 Lightspeed. The new G502 is the wireless variant of a preferred wired companion for many gamers due to the design and functionalities. But it seems the new G502 Lightspeed is more than just a wireless variant. It is actually a better variant. In first-person shooting games, the G502 offers a slightly better performance due to better travel and ease of movement. The weight is almost similar to the wired variant, but is more compact, and, of course, easy to carry around. The Logitech G502 Lightspeed offers a pleasant gaming. In fact, if you are skeptical about using a wireless mouse during tournaments, the G502 Lightspeed might force you to reconsider this perception. The G502 comes with Logitech's Hero 16K optical LED sensor, and has a sensitivity range of between 100 and 16,000 dpi. The report rate can be easily adjusted by taping a dedicated button to instantly change your stance in the game, or you can stick to 500 Hz and 400 dpi. The mouse offers 11 programmable buttons that can be customized through hub software. You can use each of these buttons to perform individual action or assign macros. There is a dual-mode scrolling wheel, and the scroll speed can be changed with a dedicated button on the mouse itself. The device comes with 6 weights, 4 at 2 gram, and 2 at 4 gram. These weights can be put inside the mouse to adjust the overall weight of the mouse. This makes it easier for the user to adapt to a new mouse. The design is well thought out, and is meant to provide better grip and comfort. If you are looking to make the shift to a wireless mouse for your gaming sessions, the Logitech G502 Lightspeed may be considered as the ideal choice for those who are willing to spend this much on a mouse. There are a few links that has been provided in the YouTube description box. This include discounts, as well as unique products that you cannot come across in Google search. I earn a small commission if you buy anything from that link. Please buy me a beer. If you have any clarification, comment below the video. I will try my best to clear your doubts. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like my video, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you will get my new videos. Also, don't forget to hit on like button. Thanks for watching. You are listening to Jason Peter, signing off. Have a good morning, good evening, or good night, whichever part of the world you are. Take care.